Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 10th annual Europa Property Investment and Manufacturing Awards. This year, as you can see, we're live and online, transmitting to the world. Moving on to our next category,
which is Automation and Robotics Supplier.
And on the shortlist we have Easy Mile, Naughty Note, On Robot, and Rockwell Automation.
Great, okay, and the winner of this category, another exciting one, yes, they're just all interesting. So we've got, for our Automation and Robotics Supplier, is Rockwell Automation.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Listen.
Great to have them in.
Bravo, Rockwell.
These are going pretty fast.